Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be showing you how to replace a door lock on a Hoover washing machine. If the door on your washing machine isn't locking properly, then you will need to replace the door lock. Luckily, this is an easy repair, so let's go through it together step by step. There are a couple of tools you'll need to replace your door lock. These are a 7mm socket, a flat blade screwdriver, and you'll also need a new door lock too. So we'll include a link to all of these in the description down below. You can also wear safety gloves if you feel necessary. Remember, safety first, always make sure that your machine is switched off and disconnected from the mains before carrying out any repairs or replacements. To start with, you're going to want to remove the top panel of your washing machine. So you'll need to be able to access the back of your washing machine to remove the 3 7mm nuts here. You can do that using your socket. So now with the 3 nuts removed, we can remove the top panel by pulling it, and lifting it away and placing it safely to one side. With the lid removed, we can now locate the interlock inside the washing machine. Looking into the top of the machine, you can see that the interlock's located here. So holding the lock firmly, you'll need to put pressure on it towards the door seal. At the same time you're doing this, you'll need to press on the 2 lugs at the front of the machine too, using your flat blade screwdriver. You can then pull the interlock out of the top of the machine and disconnect the plug to completely release the interlock from the machine. Now that we've removed the old interlock, we can start replacing the new one. But to make sure that you've got the correct replacement part, you'll need to know your model number. If you're unsure of how to find the model number of your washing machine, take a look at our video up here on how to find the model number on your washing machine to help you. Sometimes as well, the replacement parts can look slightly different from the original, but don't worry, as long as you've used your model number to find it, it should be compatible. To fit the new door interlock, we'll need to first reconnect the connector plug. Then we can place it inside the machine. Once into position, we can then push the interlock forward into place, pushing this side in first and then this side. With the new interlock in place, we can now go ahead and refit the top panel of your washing machine. Then we can refit the nuts that we removed earlier into place. And there you have it, how to replace a door lock on your Hoover washing machine. Hopefully now your washing machine is locking properly and safely once more. It's also worth knowing that maintaining and repairing your washing machine isn't the only way to keep it working at its best. Familiarising yourself with your washing machine settings is also a great way to keep your machine running as efficiently as possible. For some more helpful information on this, head on over to our video on your complete guide to washing machine settings and how to use them. Before you go though, be sure to subscribe to our channel for plenty more appliance repairs, maintenance advice and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching!